Not a scratch. Okay, guys?
Would you like some tea?
No thanks, mate. It was looking really good for a boat, and we thought,
I do say, Martin, hurry up. Chop, chop. He hit my ball. Absolutely outrageous. To the buggy.
ready to go, guys?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Guess they're leaving, guys.
How'd it go?
Super.
Super.
Make every drive super with the best performing oils at Supercheap Auto.
You look ridiculous.
You look like a clown a box of shortbread biscuits.